Hi children, welcome to our class 5 subject science, chapter 3, the nervous system. Already we learned what are the parts of the nervous system, how to take care of the nervous system. Today we are going to learn the subtopic is types of actions. Children, which is the master of all our actions? Which organ can control us? Our brain, which is the key member of the nervous system, is the master of all our actions. There are different types of actions performed by us. What happens when you touch a hot cup of tea by mistake? If you touch a hot cup or hot iron box, whatever the hot things, what will happen if you touch the hot things by mistakenly? It may hurt you, it may burn. When you write something in your copy, have you observed? Is there any difference between these two actions? In the first case, you immediately pull your hand back from the hot cup without thinking. In the second case, you think before writing anything. So these are the two types of actions, involuntary and voluntary actions performed by us. Actions of the body, types of actions, two types of actions are there, voluntary actions and involuntary actions. Voluntary actions, they involve skeletal muscles. For example, raising your hand, legs to answer raising your hand to answer a question. Many of the examples are there. Many of the actions are controlled by us. They are called voluntary actions. Involuntary actions involve skeletal muscles. For example, knee jerk involves smooth muscles, cardiac muscles or glands. Normal blood pressure is the one of the example of involuntary actions. They are not controlled by us. In daily life, our body performs many different actions. These can be categorized as voluntary actions and involuntary actions. There are two types of actions, voluntary action, involuntary action. Voluntary actions requires thinking. We should think to do some works. It comes under the voluntary action. Involuntary action, it takes place without thinking. Voluntary action can happen slower. Involuntary action happens faster. Voluntary actions are controlled mainly by the brain. Involuntary actions controlled mainly by the spinal cord. These voluntary actions for everyday actions. Involuntary actions are usually life-saving actions. Voluntary actions examples are raising hand, writing something, eating food, etc. Involuntary actions, example breathing and heart rate, etc. Thank you, my dear children.